Well, hi guys, welcome to this Money Control live stream. You're watching Midday Market Mood Check with me, Nandita Khemka, and my colleague Yatin Mota. Well, of course, the mood is pretty festive in the newsroom today, given the fact that Diwali festivities are on in full swing. When it comes to the markets, I mean, nothing really to be disappointed about. Given the fact that the Nifty has managed to, sustain that 19,400 level. In fact, 19,406. That's the 20 DMA, and the Nifty is holding up above that. It's been a fairly volatile session, although, but small caps and mid caps in fine fettle. Small cap index gaining in excess of 1% or thereabouts. And if you look at the NSE advanced decline ratio, tilted in favor of gainers. 1.5 is to 1. That was the advanced decline ratio. Pharma as a pocket is doing extremely well today. You have the likes of Realty also doing well. Energy, crude prices have slumped to a 3-month low. Brent is around that $81 per barrel mark, and which is why OMCs as a pack is doing extremely well, fairly buoyant. The likes of HPCL, gaining 7%, BPCL top Nifty gainer, IOC also doing well. The mood is of course buoyant there, given the fact that crude prices have come off from highs. Among the other gainers, you have the likes of Adani Ports, Asian Paints. You have, as I mentioned, Pharma was doing well. So Cipla, Dr. Reddy's, even Divi's has managed to stage a comeback today. On the losing end, banks not doing that well. Yesterday we saw a very good recovery come in, but today banks once again in a spot of bother. ICICI Bank under pressure, and aside of that, you have NTPC, Tata Steel, Bajaj Finance extending losses, and HDFC Life is the other one that's doing poorly in today's session. But Yatin, mid and small caps, that's where all the action is.
Absolutely.
And take us through some of the stocks.
So HPCL continues that rally, and in a matter of days, the stock from levels of 250, 260 is now trading above that 300 rupees mark. So smart gains coming for HPCL, top FNO gainer right now. Apollo Tyres, that stock has zoomed 6% after strong quarterly earnings versus expectations. Ipca Laboratories, Zydus Life are the pharma stocks which are doing well on the Nifty 500. And Zydus, to be specific, the conference call commentary was decent, especially to do with the US and Indian markets. So I think markets have liked that. Bharat Forge continues to slide after downgrade by Jefferies. Yesterday the stock was down 2%, again down in trade today. Shree Cement's mediocre results, stock down 1.5%. So in general, we have seen that a lot of action has been there in the FNO stocks. Now, if you talk about the Nifty 500 companies, the mid-cap companies, Prince Pipes, stellar set of numbers, strong margin expansion on a year-on-year basis, and stock is up 14% in trade today. GPPL and Alchem are the other stocks which are doing well on the back of good earnings. What's not doing well is the likes of Rain Industries, weak set of numbers, stock is down 4%. Suprajit Engineering, Varroc, other stocks, including Supriya Life, which are reacting to their numbers on the negative side. But Nandita, stocks like NLC India, Swan Energy, Ipca Lab, Prestige Estates, Aurobindo Pharma, that stock is up 5%. All of these stocks are hitting fresh 52-week highs in trade today.
I think Lupin is slated to report its numbers today, so we'll be watching out for that. I think behind the last leg of earnings season, the likes of Eicher will be reporting on Friday. But aside of that, we are heading into the Diwali Muhurat trading, and experts say that once 19,450 is crossed decisively, then perhaps we could see the Nifty once again retesting levels of 19,700 and thereabouts. So we will see whether or not we can reclaim that 19,500 mark today itself in the second half or not. But for now, things are looking okay, even though it's a fairly choppy ride for the markets today. And with that, I think we've covered most of the stocks that are buzzing in trade today. But of course, we'll be back at 3:30 p.m. So don't forget to tune in for that. But for now, it's a goodbye from me and Yatin. Thanks a lot for tuning in. Stay tuned to Money Control for all your other news and updates.